Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share a very delicious mint watermelon lemonade that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am going to start first by making my simple syrup. Yes, making my simple syrup. I'm making 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. I'm going to take it to the stove, cook it until the water and the sugar has dissolved completely and the water turns a little bit yellow. When it's like this, boiling, well then it is ready. You could remove it from the heat and let it come to room temperature. Let me tell you, when you make your syrup, you use less sugar than when you add granulated sugar. And here I have my organic lemons from my garden. Yes, organic, and they have so much juice. And with this little gadget, I'm going to get all that juice out. I'm going to need 1.5 cups of lemon juice. So I am getting all that amazing juice out. Now I'm ready to work on my watermelon. Yes, this is what takes much longer. Getting ready your watermelon. And of course, I'm cutting the edges first so that the watermelon doesn't run away from me. Look at this. Once you cut the edges, you are ready to start taking all the skin out, and of course being very careful that you don't get none of that pulp out. I am going to remove this carefully, and of course I'm going to be removing even the little white pieces of the watermelon that's right on the outside of the watermelon. I know this part takes longer, but I wanted to show you how easy it is when you cut the sides, the bottom and the top of your watermelon, then you're ready to work with it. Look at this. Now I'm just going to be flipping it over, getting all those white pieces out because they have no flavor. And now I am going to be ready to make this amazing and delicious lemonade. Look at this. Look how easy this is. And this is the perfect time to enjoy your lemonades at home with ingredients that you could find in any supermarket. Of course, here I am going to slice a little bit, small little pieces for the decoration of my cup and the decoration of my bowl. Look at this. And now I am ready to just chop away medium pieces so I could put it on my blender. You need about 4 cups of watermelon. I am going to add it to my blender. I'm going to add 1 liter of water, and I am going to mix very well. Look at this. Blend it until everything is nice and smooth. And it really doesn't take too long to make this amazing lemonade at home. Now I am ready to put it through a sifter because I don't want none of the pulp. I only want the juice, the flavor, but yet I don't want all that pulp of the watermelon in my lemonade. I'm going to show you what pulp I don't want on my lemonade. Look at this. This is exactly what you don't want in your lemonade. You want all the amazing flavor. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of lemon juice, 1 cup of the simple syrup we made. Of course, the sweetness is to taste. The sweetness is to taste. And if you want to use any other type of sweetener, go ahead. Enjoy your lemonades at home. This is the best part. And now I have my mint here. I am going to pull them apart, all those little leaves, and then I'm ready to chop away. The reason that I'm chopping away so that they release all the amazing flavor into the lemonade. Look at this. Please don't forget to add the little pinch of salt. The little pinch of salt is going to help you bringing up the flavor of the watermelon and the mint and reducing the acidity of the lemon. Once you add your little pinch of salt, then you are ready to enjoy, of course, with a lot of ice. I have the little pieces of the watermelon here. I have all the lemonade here. And now I'm ready to start adding the little pieces of the watermelon into my pitcher. Look how beautiful this looks. Really refreshing. It really helps you with your thirst. And the flavor just amazing. Here on my pitcher, I'm going to add some of the little pieces of the watermelon. On my pitcher, I'm not going to add any ice. We're going to add the ice directly into our cups. Of course, my glass is ready, and I'm ready to pour and enjoy. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing, homemade, made with lots of love, this amazing mint watermelon lemonade. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Can't wait to refresh myself with this amazing lemonade. I'll see you in a bit. Done with this amazing watermelon mint lemonade, perfect for this hot weather. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So refreshing and so delicious. I'm telling you, refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you like and love this amazing lemonade, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. I will stay enjoying this amazing watermelon mint lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.